So, hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Libra. Sun, Moon, Venus rising from October till December 2024. I'm going to pull one card for each month for you guys for your love life. First of all, for those who are in a relationship or committed or um, living with a person or in a like okay, you got it, yeah, or married, you can say. And for those who are in complete no contact, and for those who are completely single, okay, and waiting for like the new person, okay. So if it is not resonating, it's not your story. Okay, it's like a journal reading for each month, so don't take it too seriously like the whole month is going to be like that only, okay. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Let's see what we have for those who are already in a relationship or committed or married to each other. October, November, December for Libra. October, November, and December. So, okay, that's a really, really good card. Really good cards, actually. Let me tell you guys this very, very quickly. So, in October, I do see the friendship kind of energy coming back in the situation. For some of you, if you guys were in an on and off, on in and out, and in a situation where things were not working out, things will start working out in your favor. For some of you, if you're planning to have a kid, you might get a kid. If you already have a kid, because of your kid, you guys are going to come closer to each other, okay. But I do see there is a friendship kind of energy coming back in the situation, and a lot of fun and flirting, a lot of fun and a lot of going out, and a lot of this energy of bringing the friendship back in the situation, and bringing the energy of lightheartedness and not taking things or situations seriously kind of energy is going to be there for you guys in October. In November, Three of Pentacles, equal take and equal give and take of energy from both the sides. If there will be collaboration, there will be partnership, there will be this energy of making things work out on a serious note, with a serious kind of energy, with a serious kind of vibes. And I do see you guys are going to be finally in this energy of not letting other people or other energies influence the situation. You might get help from somebody, like you might plan to go for a therapist or healer or counselor or somebody like that. But at the same time, because of somebody else or because of something else, you guys will not be ruining your connection with your partner. That's really, really, really good, okay. By the end of this year, we have this energy of Ace of Cups. Okay, some kind of revival of energy in the situation between you guys, okay. So till this point, till this December 2024, I do see that you guys are trying to bring back the friendliness, to bring back the enthusiasm in the connection. But the love portion is kind of missing, because you guys are stressed too much about working on the situation, and forgetting the point. The point here is that you guys should have love for each other, and everything will start flowing easily. But you guys will start doing everything else, and you will start the love point for each other. You will forget the love point for each other. I don't know why am I so distracted today. But anyways, this is the situation where by the end of this year, you guys are going to end up having a very beautiful kind of connection with each other, very, very beautiful kind of feelings for each other. Now let's go to those who are in no contact or no communication. Now, for those who are in no contact or no communication, in October, you will get to know something about your person. A secret is going to be revealed, or you will be able to understand that why this person is walking away from you, why this person is sneaking away from you, what is making them go away from the situation rather than coming back to you. It's like definitely you're going to get some kind of clarity or answer, or some kind of again secret is going to be revealed, that is going to tell you why this person is not interested in you anymore, or why they are behaving the way they are behaving with you, okay. For some of you, it was sudden no contact or sudden disconnection, so you will get to know why they were doing that. But for whatever reason, you will definitely get to know about it. There are very high chances. In November, we have the Chariot card, so it's like you will be in this energy of moving on from the connection rather than trying to make it work out. I do see some kind of communication happening in the month of November, but one of you will try to leave the situation behind and move on from the situation, because again, you guys are going to feel like even if you guys are trying your best to come together with somebody, it's not working out the way you wanted it to work out, or something is missing in the connection. So one of you is going to leave the connection for good for this time, for the month of November. In December, we have the Two of Pentacles. Either you are going to have two options, or you are going to be very confused about a particular situation with the person that you are in no contact with. You will not be able to understand whether you should give it another shot, or you should let it go, or you should do something about it, or you should go towards a totally new person or new energy. So it's definitely there is energy of connection, there's energy of contact between you guys, but at the same time, I don't see this energy of commitment and or marriage or something solid on the table kind of a deal as of now, till the last 3 months, till the December 2024 for you guys. Okay, now let's see for those of you who are single, what's coming towards you, Libra. For single Libras, October, November, December. Wow, actually, it's good. So in October, you are going to feel like you are stuck in your love life. You might connect with somebody, but things are going to be so slow between you guys, slow, or either they will be like start and start and stop, or they are going to be too much in this energy of taking things really very, very slow. You might be in this energy of connecting with a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. So the other person is going to take things really very, very slow in the connection, to that level of you thinking like they're not interested in or something. So you might end up disconnecting with somebody, okay, even if you're going to connect with someone in October. In November, I do see have a brand new beginning happening in your love life. A good offer is coming on the table. A solid, stable offer is coming on the table for you guys. For some of you, it's a marriage proposal. For some of you, it's somebody who is interested in you, and they are going to tell you like right away that they are interested in something solid on the table, in some kind of commitment kind of energies for you guys. Okay, so yeah, this is what I have for you. And now in December, we have the Six of Swords. I do see a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in your love and relationship area. In the month of December, I think you will be able to understand that something that was not working out in your previous relationships or in your previous connection is something that you need to work on. Okay, and I do see you finding a solution to that problem, and understanding what you should do and what you should not do in your love and relationship area. Now I do see improvement till the end of December 2024. If you are going to accept the proposal in November 2024, it could be you going towards somebody with a proposal. It could be them coming towards you, but there are good chances that you are going to be in a connection, in a brand new connection in the month of November. And in December, you will be able to find out like a pattern or a cycle or something like that that you need to break in order to be in a peaceful connection. Okay, cool. Now let's see the guidance for you guys, Libra, for the rest of the 3 months of 2024 in your love and relationship area. We have the Three of Wands. Okay, if you are 1 foot in 1 foot out in a situation and you're not able to understand what you should do, take it really very, very, very slow, to the point of taking it like one day at a time kind of a deal. Okay, don't make any kind of decisions or choices, or any kind of life changing decision, or life changing choices in any kind of rush or hurry, because you might end up having some kind of like backfiring kind of energy otherwise. Okay, so please make sure that whatever decision or whatever changes, whatever decision or whatever chances you're going to take in your love and relationship area, they are like being taken with a lot of understanding, with a lot of this energy of maturity and groundedness. Then move forward. Okay, honey, so this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.